Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use After Effects for beginners in 2026. So whether you want to create motion graphics, text animations, cinematic effects, YouTube intros, gaming edits, or visual effects, yeah, Adobe After Effects is one of the most powerful editing and animation tools available. First, open Adobe After Effects and create a new project from the home screen. Next, create a new composition by setting the resolution, frame rate, and duration for your project. Before editing, it's important to understand the main panels like the timeline, project panel, preview window, and effects controls. Now import your videos, images, music, or graphics into the project panel. Now preview your project carefully and make adjustments to timing, effects, or animation speed if needed. Once your project is complete, export the final video using Adobe Media Encoder or the render queue. And that's basically how to use After Effects for beginners in 2026. With layers, keyframes, effects, and animation tools, you can create professional-looking motion graphics and visual effects directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.